You see how quickly they manipulate the entire agenda? All we're talking about tonight is Iran. None of us are talking about the US invasion of Venezuela last week, the kidnap of the president of Venezuela last week. Now we're talking about the potential to the Israeli and American fantasists, at least, of the kidnap of the Iranian leader. None of us are talking about the Epstein affair, which was the prelude to all of this flurry of war and threats of war across the world. None except a brave firefighter in the Ford Motor plant who unmasked the real Donald Trump, the grubby, thuggish Donald Trump, giving the middle finger not just to that firefighter, no, giving the middle finger to America, the middle finger to the blue-collar basket of deplorables so despised by Hillary Clinton back in 2016, the very blue-collar base of MAGA, which thought that Donald Trump would be a human hand grenade tossed into the establishment in Britain, getting the middle finger for calling Donald Trump a protector of paedophiles, a statement of fact which none now can gainsay.